Hello and welcome back to the Dixie Belle YouTube channel. In this week's video I've got something very exciting and brand new to show you. Yes, welcome back to the Dixie Belle YouTube channel. In this week's video I'm going to be painting these drawers behind in a brand new chalk mineral paint colour. I will be swatching all of the colours later on in the video, so make sure you watch till the end. So these little drawers are actually waxed, so I'm going to do the prep off camera. I'll come back once they're all de-waxed, and if you want to know how to take wax off furniture before painting, head over to my own YouTube channel. You can find me at Faff Designs, where I do an in-depth video over there. So the drawers are all de-waxed and prepped. Now I can get on to the reveal. So the colour that I'm going to use, or I should say the brand new colour that I'm going to use on these drawers, is called Sanctuary. So this is a gorgeous dark emerald green with black undertones, and of all the colours that I could have picked to use, I had to choose this one because green is my all-time favourite colour to paint with, and I think this shade is going to be extremely popular. As I mentioned, I will be swatching the other colours for you in just a second, but for now I'm going in with this shade using one of Dixie Belle's oval brushes, and that's just going to help me get in all of the nooks and crannies. I'm also using a damp brush and a light mist of water just to help the paint glide on and go on smoothly, because I am going to be doing a one colour finish on this one, just so you get the full effect of this shade. Apart from stripping the wax and giving these a really good clean with Dixie Belle's White Lightning Cleaner, that's the only prep I've done. I haven't primed with this piece because the paint colour is super dark, so I'm not going to run the risk of seeing any bleed through this, but you can prime using Dixie Belle's Bond Emboss if you wish to. Here's the other colours. This one is actually the colour that I'm using, called Sanctuary. The second one is called Apothecary. We're moving on to the third one, called Heirloom, which is a nice blue shade. And then Kindling, and finally Hearth. So these are all the new colours from Dixie Belle's Chalk Mineral Paint release, all super dark and very moody and on trend. Even if you get excellent coverage with your first coat of paint, I always advise using at least 2 coats of paint, because with super dark colours like this, it does enhance that kind of intense richness and depth of the paint colour. So I'd always advise using 2 coats of paint at the very least. I did 2 on this one, that was all that was needed, and you can tell a huge difference in the depth and the saturation of the colour. I'm going to finish these using wax, but obviously you can finish your project using whatever top coat you prefer. I'm just going to use clear wax on these for a nice sheen. I always like to apply my clear wax with a sponge if I'm putting it on a large flat surface like the front and sides of this piece. But if there's any detail, then I do use the Petite brush because it has a tapered end and it just allows you to get in all of the nooks and crannies and make sure that you've put that wax everywhere that it needs to go. Once you've got a nice thin even application of wax and you've worked it in, always remember to buff the excess wax off your project, because this is what is going to give it its nice sheen. It also removes any excess wax from the surface of your piece and stops it feeling sticky and tacky. I finished this project off with some copper handles because I just think they contrast beautifully against that dark green paint. Here's a few close-ups of the finished look. Once again, this brand new colour is called Sanctuary and it's from Dixie Belle's Chalk Mineral Paint range. Thank you for watching the video. If you wanted to check out any of the new chalk mineral paint shades, make sure you head over to your local Dixie Belle retailer, or you can shop online using the link in the description below this video. Make sure you are subscribed to the Dixie Belle YouTube channel, and I will catch you next time. Bye!